Today we're doing a Hellbender release for Purdue University and Indiana DNR here in Big Blue River.
Hey Dylan. Six.
I have a friend who's born and raised in 18,
Still a possibility.
Get it?
Do this, guys. I'll go ahead. There's one Hellbender at least for each one of you, so you'll all be able to release.
Oh, cool.
When I net them out for you guys, make sure your hand covers the net at all times until you get them actually into the net here. They are very slippery. They will escape very quickly, so make sure everything stays covered. So go ahead. We'll want to keep a line and have people keep moving because we don't want to keep them in the sun too long. Okay?
I will help you get them down into the hole. So.
Alright, you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Watch his head there. He's trying to pop out. There you go.
Oh, yeah, he's...
Oh, that will stick
Here.
They know something, you know?
I don't
Throw
want
him back in the bucket.
Throw him back. That one's antsy.
There you go. He's like, my friends are disappearing. Let me out.
The moment he got that net, he didn't want to be there.
There you go.
He's pretty strong, too, for no bigger than it is.
It's quite surprising what they can do for how small they are.
Cool. What's going on, everybody? It's Travis here. Thanks for tuning in to the video, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. I know that I really enjoyed making the video and being able to go out with Purdue University to release these Hellbenders into the wild. And we know from previous releases that not all will survive, and that's just Mother Nature for you, but a good percentage of them will, and that's why they continue to do this release program. But if you like my video, I'd appreciate you to give it a like, and if you want to see other future outdoor content, you can subscribe to the channel as well. That would be really appreciated. And if you're feeling really antsy, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I post my next video. And I do a lot of outdoor activities on my own time, and my work also involves the outdoors, just like you saw in this video. So I hope to see y'all in the next video, but until then, I hope y'all have a great day and stay safe out there.